Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show how to quickly and easily merge two tables in Microsoft Word. If you are new here, this channel is all about helping you learn practical tips, tech tutorials, and smart solutions to make your work easier and more efficient. Make sure you watch to the end so that you don't miss any important steps. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to make sure that the two tables don't have text wrapping activated. For that, right-click on the first table. From the menu, select Table Properties. In the text wrapping section, make sure None is selected, then confirm with OK. We repeat the same process for the second table. Right-click on the second table, select Table Properties. Under text wrapping, make sure None is selected and click OK to confirm. This step is very important. If text wrapping is enabled, the tables won't merge. Once both tables have text wrapping set to None, merging them is easy. Click on the second table. You will see the small 4-arrow handle at the top left corner of the table. Click and drag that table directly underneath the first table. As soon as you release it, the two tables will automatically merge into one. And that's it, your tables are now combined. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick Microsoft Word tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.